Hair isn't just hair, it's how we express ourselves. Sometimes it's really part of our identity and does shape the world around us. So when hair loss happens, it can affect us really, really deep. And for those, it really isn't just about the style or anything about fashion and beauty. It's a lot to do with confidence and self-esteem. And it's not just about looking in the mirror and saying, hey, I look great, but it's really identifying with yourself again. For those who wish to have hair, it's about recognizing themselves again. So choosing the right hair system isn't just about a decision in style, it's about feeling like yourself again. So how do you choose the right one? Well, first we're gonna look into two things: durability and natural looking. And sometimes you gotta prioritize one over the other. Everyone's journey is different, and so should their hair. Not two people will have the exact same haircut, the exact same style, with the exact same base and the exact same color. So choosing what fits for you and what's unique to you is going to be what's perfect for you. So understanding whether you prefer durability over natural looking or vice versa is going to be the start of your hair system journey. So for example, if you are going to look for something natural looking, you're gonna lose out on some durability. But hey, your front hairline is gonna look great. It's gonna look super undetectable. You just might have to frequently change this a lot more often than if you had a durable piece. So sometimes it will come down to how often do you want to replace your hair system. Now, if you're somebody who is on a budget and looking for something that's super durable, you just have to understand sometimes you're not gonna get that natural hairline look. But not to say that you can't get a natural looking hair system, you just need to pick the right style that's going to fit for you. So next, we're gonna talk about lifestyle, because lifestyle is also gonna help you understand whether you need something more natural looking or more durable. Typically for somebody who works out, yes, you want a natural looking hair system, but unfortunately with all that sweat, all that heat, and if you're somebody who goes into the sauna, your hairpiece is going to lose out in its durability. So what happens is that you are going to need to frequently change this or opt for something more durable. Now, if you are someone who's active, having a lace system can give you that extra breathability for your scalp. For somebody who wants a skin base, yes, skin base can look super natural, but again, you just have to think about your perspiration, your body chemistry with the glue. And if you're somebody who's into the sauna or loves the sauna and wears a skin base system, just know that you have to be extra careful than somebody who wears a lace system. Now, if you're somebody who isn't active at all and you sit down in front of your desk all day, that's okay. And if you are somebody who has really dry skin, that's even better. Your hair system is probably gonna last you a lot longer than somebody who does have an active lifestyle. And if you are somebody who is looking for durability, just know that the mono base or any mono base lace top is one of the most durable hair systems. But if you are somebody who's active, just understand that a system like that comes with a lot of hair, which is great, but comes with a lot of durability, which is also great, but also can become extremely hot. So this is great for somebody who isn't super active and wants a lot of hair. This is also great for somebody who just wants a daily option with a lot of hair. So monotops are a hair system that has the durability that you need, that has the hair that you need, and will probably last you a very long time compared to something that is a skin base or a lace base. So again, it really depends on what you're looking for and what you prioritize, durability or natural looking. Sometimes it's a give and take. Now, we do have a hair system or a couple hair systems that is going to give you the best of both worlds. The M104 and the M109 allows you to have the durability of a mono top. It has the skin kind of perimeter, and it also has a lace front that's going to give you a natural look. So if you are looking for something that's durable and natural looking, these two hair systems are probably going to give you the best of both worlds. Now, this is great for somebody who is wearing a hair system for the first time, because when you get to understand what it is you're looking for in terms of density, but also durability. Now, if you find the M104 is too thick and too heavy, then we can start to tweak it and look for other hair systems that is going to fit you more suitable. So maybe a lace, or maybe we can start moving towards a skin. If you're like, this is not enough hair, then there is another hair system that has a lot more hair and has a lot more durability. So this is a really great system to kind of start with, especially if you are kind of figuring out whether you want durability or natural looking. So now that you understand your lifestyle and kind of the direction of where you need to go in terms of natural looking or durability, we can talk about color, because color is obviously key to also having a great look. Now, some of you might come in with extra gray hair and you just got to make the decision, hey, are you sticking with the gray or are you going to come in with solid color? If you are going to come in with some solid color, just know that it is better for you to match your hair color when it is dyed. So you don't want to come in with all the gray. I mean, you can, as long as we can see a lot more color, but you do want to match that solid color correctly. So first color your hair, then come in for a color match. That is going to get you the most closest natural looking hair system that is closest to your color. Now, if you are somebody who is grayed out and really likes to have all that gray, that's fine too. We have many, many options in our inventory that's going to give you the best gray coverage that you're looking for. And in terms of color, we also need to talk about hair texture. For somebody who has curly hair, maybe having a hair system that has straight hair may not be ideal for you. So you might want to look into permed hair systems. Perm hair systems is going to give you that texture, especially if you naturally have curls. Typically, those who have natural curls tend to have a lot more thickness around the edges of their scalp, which is fine, but having kind of straight hair and fine hair may not be the best for you. So you want to opt in for a hair system that has a perm or has a curl and also has the density that you need. And lastly, you don't ever want to start your hair journey without the proper education. Do your research, find the best hairstylist you can possibly get all your questions answered. That is going to be the key to having longevity in your hair system journey. For us, you can connect with us through online consultations, or if you're around the GTA, feel free to come into one of our GTA services locations. And at the end of the day, don't do it alone. Have your support system. Have professionals in your corner that is going to provide you the best service, the best education, and the best knowledge you can possibly have when it's your first time starting your hair system journey. There's a lot of things that you need to understand, how the process works, what kind of glue is going to work, but just know that if it is your first time with us or first time at all with a hair system, your first year may be your most expensive year. And I say this often because you are in the trial and error phase. With that being said, have us on your corner. We are here to provide education, knowledge, and we have the best professionals in the industry that's going to give you what you need to know and how to get the perfect look.